Hello, Ontario family. I'm Mayor Paul Leone. Your City Council and I want you to know that despite the worry and concern the coronavirus pandemic is causing, your city is doing its very best to protect you, your families, and your homes. Over the past couple of weeks, we have all watched as the number of positive cases of the coronavirus, or COVID-19, have increased in the county, and even here in Ontario. To date, there are over 300 positive cases of the virus in the county and 14 cases being reported in Ontario. This wasn't surprising as the degree of testing was slow to materialize in our region. Now that the community testing is rolling out in Southern California, we must expect to see infection numbers rise before they begin to flatten out. From an operational standpoint, our essential city departments are functioning per normal. Our police and fire departments are still responding to calls and keeping the city safe. Our crews in the utilities and public works departments are busy ensuring that your essential household needs are met on the same daily and weekly schedules. Truly, you will not see a difference in your water, sewer, and trash services, and our parks and street maintenance operations continue to be performed. You can still receive a permit, albeit by appointment only. If you're a senior citizen, you can obtain a free meal. And if you're a family at home in need of something interesting and educational to help pass the time, we have you covered there too. My colleagues on the City Council are very proud of our city employees who are serving you during these difficult times. Although we continue to provide vital community services, these are interesting times and they require an elevated level of protection for our employees in the field. To effectively stop the spread and ultimately eliminate this virus, everyone must take added precautions while sheltering in their homes. For our employees, that means they must now wear facial coverings, gloves, and wash their hands as often as possible. Masks like this. I must take this moment to thank our many corporate partners who have stepped up and donated gloves, masks, and gowns to assist in keeping our employees safe out in the field. It's partnerships like these in our time of need that make Ontario such a special city. While we do continue to provide the full range of city services, we need to shut down some public-facing services out of an abundance of caution. As I referenced a moment ago, all city facilities are currently closed to the public, but most services can be accessed online or by appointment. We are currently providing services such as scheduling construction inspections, conducting plan reviews, issuing building permits, and business license renewals. And with regard to our quality of life services, all our community centers, libraries, and the senior center are closed, but you can visit our website to view a host of classes, enrichment and learning programs, and other great information at www.ontarioca.gov/coronavirus. Also, you should follow our social media platforms for updates for service. I talk to folks all day, every day. One of the questions people in the community most often ask is, what's an essential business and why are some businesses staying open when they should be closed? This is a tough time, and our staff is working closely with our partners at the county to determine which businesses are considered essential, like pharmacies, food stores, and logistic businesses, and which are not. That said, we want everyone to adhere to the Safer at Home order. While we understand that this may cause a financial difficulty for you or a business owner, please understand that these restrictions are what is best for the safety of our city, our residents, and the region. Let me say it again, if a business is not deemed essential, they must shut down. If you need to determine if your business or workplace is considered essential, please visit www.covid19.ca.gov or www.cisa.gov. Additionally, if you see a business that is perhaps operating when it shouldn't be, please feel free to call the county hotline number at 909-387-3911. Another question folks often ask me about is, what about the homeless? Well, our homeless outreach employees have continued to work with our homeless population throughout this ordeal. Our housing and neighborhood prevention staff are working diligently to place as many members of this vulnerable population into temporary housing locations scattered throughout the community so that no one neighborhood bears the brunt. The work is being done in conjunction with our partners at Mercy House, a nonprofit partner that assists the city with homeless issues and is in collaboration with participating local hotels and motels that accept housing vouchers to temporarily shelter the homeless. Another question people have been asking is, will the city pass an eviction moratorium as allowed by the state? I can report to you that the council will be considering a report on this issue at our regular April 7th meeting. If approved, this urgency ordinance would go into effect immediately. Please follow our coronavirus website and social media platforms for updates on that issue. As I end this message, I want to urge you all to follow the guidelines of the governor's Safer at Home order and the San Bernardino County Public Health order. Please stay at home whenever possible. If you must go out for essential duties, please remember to use social distancing of 6 feet. Wear a mask or a scarf over your face, and continue to wash your hands and use sanitizer to reduce the risk of spreading this virus to the rest of the community. I know these restrictions are tough, but they could be the practices that save your life or the lives of your families and loved ones. I'm sure you have plenty of questions about this city and our services, so again, please go to our information webpage, www.ontarioca.gov/coronavirus, or call our hotline number at 909-988-3650. Please also watch for more of these videos in the coming weeks. I want to assure you that we're going to get through these unprecedented times together. On behalf of myself and the Ontario City and City Council, I want to thank you for watching and remind you to stay safe and know that your city is here for you during this crisis. Thank you.